Here is how you fix lag on iPhone. But first, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. It really helps me out. Thank you. So the first thing we will do is open settings. Then we're going to look for the battery option. The first thing I want you to do is, if low power mode is on, you want to turn this one off. This will throttle the overall performance of your iPhone, which may cause lag. The second thing is, if your iPhone is charging and you just did a software update, you want to unplug your iPhone from the charger. If you freshly updated your software, the lag is caused because the update causes a lot of heat. When your phone is on the charger, it causes even more heat. So just unplug the phone temporarily, wait for an hour, then you can start charging the phone again, and that will help the phone cool down. And when the phone has cooled down, that will reduce the total amount of lag. Now, the third thing we want to do is head to our general setting and then head into about. Under iOS version, select this one. And if for some reason you have a beta version of iOS installed in your iPhone, that could be causing lots of lag. The beta versions are not meant for the public users, and so performance isn't thought of. So what you're going to do is head to the software update, and if there is a public release of, let's say, iOS 18, which is the current iOS at the time of recording, then you want to update to that latest version. If you can't update to a public release, then attempt to install the latest developer beta, as the newer betas typically improve on overall performance. If your phone is currently extremely hot, what I'd recommend you do is just either stop using the phone for around 10 to 15 minutes and just wait for the phone to cool down. If the phone is hot, the processor is going to overheat, which is causing lag. Or you can even press and hold power volume down and then slide the power off the iPhone. Just leave the iPhone off for 10 minutes, and that helps out a really long way, because when the phone is cool, then the lag stops happening. The final thing is we will head to the battery settings and battery health. Now, if your battery health is below 90%, then there's a good chance that you will need to replace your battery in order to get the proper performance again. When your battery capacity is below 90%, what happens is the battery starts to get extremely hot throughout use. So you may be doing nothing wrong, you may not be charging the phone, you're just using the operating system, but the phone's getting hot. That is because your battery has been weared out, and so I'd recommend getting a repair or a replacement of the battery from Apple. Apple's batteries since iPhone 14 have been extremely cheap and garbage, so just keep that one in mind. Alright, iPhone 15 Pro has a severe battery issue. I just recommend getting the repair or replacement, or even upgrading to the newest iPhone, and you will notice that will solve all issues.